Welcome back to the Raja Prana House. Today we're going to be making the mung bean curry. So we have paprika, we have cumin seeds, garam masala, dana jiru, which is a coriander and cumin mix. We have cumin seeds, mustard seeds, asafoetida, a little turmeric, methi seeds, and then over here we have shallots, garlic, ginger, tomatoes, and cilantro. So to start on this mung bean curry, first we're going to get obviously some heat going. Can't do much on the stove without a little bit of calor. Eh, traiga el calor. Traiga el color. And then we're going to have a little ghee and a little oil. I can hear it kind of sizzling right now. And what we're going to do is, to see when it's hot, we're going to drop some of these mustard seeds and some of these cumin seeds into the oil. And when those start to sizzle, we'll know that it is nice and hot. Ooh, also, because we love the color, go ahead and do some paprika, because it gives the oil a nice contrast for color, and we love the taste as well of the paprika. I find that it takes any dish into a little bit more robust of a version of itself. Just gonna spread that oil and that ghee a little bit. Spread it on. Traigo un poquito más calor. Ah, traigo un poquito más calor. I like to do a little bit of sea salt and a little bit of pink Himalayan. This probably does nothing, but makes me feel like the salt is spread out. Yep. There we go. Starting to sizzle. So when that sizzle starts to happen, we're going to get these shallots in there. Don't worry if a little bit of your other spices get in there. It's all good. I know people like to be really particular about it. I'm not. It's not my jam. You know what I mean? Not my jam. Okay, now we can turn the heat down a little bit so that we don't burn the onions. And we're going to get those caramelized. We're going to drop one green and one red onion chili in there just for taste. If you have anyone that doesn't eat spicy, just take that out before you serve it. Now we're going to go ahead with the garlic and the ginger. And we'll actually go ahead with the tomatoes as well. Get these nice and sauteed up. Now we can hit it with the spices. We can do, and honestly, right here, I don't really have specific measurements of how much to put of each spice. I just know which flavors are going to help make the dish, and then I use my sense, my food sense, and I just put a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I smell, I taste, and that is what feels resonant. A little more salt. A little bit more danaju. little bit more. Mung beans coming in. Now we elected to cook the mung beans in a pressure cooker. So now we're going to turn the heat down. That way we can see what tastes does our dish call for. We'll do a little bit more. Dana Tito. Do a little bit more. Curry leaves. This is water from this morning. With like the turmeric and cinnamon and clove and all. We'll get the cilantro in there. And that baby is ready to go. Here's the finished product. Mmm. Nice, fibrous, full of protein, vitamins, minerals, mung bean curry, baby.